So hello guys, firstly we would like to thank you many of you sending us question about COVID-19, and one of the main question we keep seeing is that how coronavirus is different from flu. Of course we don't do all these things that we are doing for the COVID-19 during the normal flu season, and so much people are asking about the question. So for answering these questions we are having specialist Mr. Anupam Malik,
Hello.
and he is working in WHO and he will answer some questions. So, sir, let's move to the first question. I will ask some 4 to 5 questions that are most asked by people. So, first question is that what is the difference between the COVID 19 and flu? See, one common difference is that the COVID 19 is a brand new virus, something we have never seen it before. It emerged in China in December 2019, and none of us is having any immunity to it yet. Okay, thank you, sir. And second question, that how deadly is COVID-19 compared with the flu? See, from the information that we have so far, that the COVID-19 is more deadly than the flu. In fact, somewhere between 10 to 20 times more likely for you die if you are having COVID-19 and than if you get flu as compared to it. So, sir, third question here comes, that how contagious is COVID-19 compared with the flu? Okay, COVID appears to be much more transmissible than flu. It transmits person to person. Because of
Okay,
it, we
sir.
need to
Fourth,
take
some
question on our
precautions.
list is that is there any treatment for COVID-19 or okay, with flu we have many treatments, and we are having even antiviral treatments also, and that can be used. But we don't have any vaccination for COVID-19. So we also not having a FK-proof treatment right now.
Okay,
But
sir.
there are a
Last.
lot of people working on it. So vaccination should be made soon, as many of people are working on our list is that how can we
So,
fight the
okay.
COVID-19? See, we don't have any treatment and we don't have any vaccine. So what we have left, we are left just with precautions like social distancing from others, wearing masks when being outdoor, stay inside as much you can, and use hand sanitizer if you are outdoors, and washing hands in. Okay, so guys, as you see that the question you were asked, our specialist has satisfied you with his answer. So thank you for watching this video.